Hi boys and girls, we have our next math video for this week and we are still working on two-digit addition. But it looks a little bit different today, Mrs. Grant. What are you noticing about the way the problem is set up?
It's written side to side instead of up and down.
Yeah, exactly. In fact, I don't see Mr. Tens or One's house anywhere. The problem is written and I can't add it like this. So boys and girls, today your job is to only solve 4 problems. We're going to do 1 together. There'll be 3 on your own, but you have to take the numbers and line them up correctly yourself. And we are looking for your neatest, absolute neatest handwriting and work so that we don't get our numbers all mixed up. So let's take a look at how we're going to do that. We are going to begin with the very first number in the problem. So for the first problem, it's 18. I'm going to take the number 18 and I am going to write it in my neatest handwriting on the board. And then I'm going to take my second number, which is 53, and I'm going to make sure that when I line it up, my 10s are lined up and my 1s are lined up in the problem. So for 53, I'm going to make sure that the 5 is in the 10s column and the 3 is in the 1s column. Now, I'm not going to draw an entire, village of townhomes today. I'm just going to draw what I need for the math problem. So I'm going to add a plus sign, and I am going to draw a line at the bottom to show where my answer is going to go. It kind of works like an equal sign in this problem, and our answer will sit down below. This is no different than what we've done before. We are still going to be covering up the 10s. I just didn't draw the house. All right, we're still going to be adding those 1s. All right, Mrs. Grant, help me out.
8 plus 3 is 8, 9, 10, 11.
Good. So we get 11. They're the same number. What do I do?
You still have to follow the procedure, which is, do we have a group of 10?
We do.
So we need to kick those out to the Mr. 10's attic. I know there's not a blank box here.
There's not.
All you do is write a 1 above the 10s column.
Oh, okay. So even though there's not a box, we could just draw the number anyway.
Yes.
Okay. And what am I doing with this leftover number 1?
The other one, because it's in the 1 place, comes down here in the 1s column underneath the answer bar, the equal sign.
All right. Now, don't let this confuse you. When you get into the 10s column, we still need to add all 3 of these numbers together. So I know that 1 plus 1 is 2, and then I just need to add 5 more. So 2 plus 5 more is equal to 7. So my final answer is 71. Everything that you've already learned is right in this problem. We just took the house away.
Yep.
So it's a little less work. You just need to make sure that those numbers are lined up nice and evenly with your 1s and 10s.
Yeah, so what we don't want to see is an answer here and no work. The whole purpose of today's page is that you can show that you can rewrite it up and down, follow all the steps. We better see that arrow.
Oh yeah.
We may need to really remember to regroup that group of 10s above in Mr. 10's attic. Don't forget any of this. It's very important. And that's it. You're just going to do this 3 more times.
Yeah, so only 4 problems today. You can do it.